Hey guys, it's the Master, and this is my first video, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to get Mass Effect 2 for the PC for free. Yep, so I'll put all these links in the info section. Alright, so first I'm using Google Chrome and Windows 7 32-bit version. Alright, so first you want to go to this and download the torrent. It's right here. And it's Mass Effect 2 by Razer. I'm not really sure how you say that, but yeah. Alright, so once you've downloaded it, what you want to do is you click on it, and then this thing comes up. And then you want all of those checked, because you need all of them. And then you click OK. Now, I've already done this, and so I don't need to do it again, so I'm just gonna click cancel here. But it'll show up around here. Mine took me around 3 days to download. Yeah. Oh, also, sorry, but I should have mentioned this, but you are going to need either uTorrent or some other BitTorrent client to download it. Alright, so after you've downloaded it, I'm just going to assume that you have, and also gotten the torrent. What you want to do is, so I already have it, so I'm just going to go to my files. Alright, well, there will be a file called, I think it's, it'll have basically both disks, and you want to click on disk 1, and then unarchive, or decompress the first file, or not the first file, but the file that says the extension is .001, and you can use that by using WinRAR, sorry, which, so for some reason it didn't recognize that it could undo it. So what you do is, I use my WinRAR. You open up WinRAR. If it doesn't recognize it, you can just open it up. And I have no idea what this is, but basically you click, basically find your downloads. Mine, I think, is in users, and then click whatever user it is, and then downloads, and then it should be somewhere in here. Yep, and then there should be an ISO file. Actually, it would look like this one, except it's called ME2. I just renamed it Mass Effect 2 Disk 1. And then you're going to want to extract that. You can extract it to the desktop, doesn't matter. And then once you have this, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go down here, and you want to get daemon tools, sorry. I'll put that in the info section also. You're going to want to right click, and then virtual devices, and you want to basically go to the first one and click mount image, and then right here you'll get this window, and then you'll navigate to whatever the ISO file is, and then click open. Alright, so now it's going to be mounting image for a little while. I don't know how long. And then you'll get this window. I guess it doesn't matter. You don't have to click it, but you might as well. You just click auto run, and then this window will come up. I've already installed it, but it'll say install somewhere around here, and then you're gonna want to click that and install it. And then it's going to ask you, it's gonna do all this stuff, and ask you for the serial key. And so I already have these ones were online. I'll put these on the info also. Yeah, and so basically when it asks you to register, you put one of those in. The first one worked for me. I don't know if it'll work for you guys, but anyway. Yep, and then you do the same thing to disk 2. So you go to WinRAR again, down here. and then extract that file. Just find wherever you are, I guess, here, and downloads, and then it should be in here. And then what you're going to want to do is go to basically do the same thing that you did for the first disk for the second disk. So you go to um, the folder that you downloaded it into, and then go to DVD2, and then extract the ISO from that from the .001 extension. And yep, and then it'll look basically the same thing, except instead of A, it'll have B. So the first one will be called ME2A, and then the second disk will be called ME2B. So when the installer asks you to put in the second disk, basically you go here, you go down here to, here, I'll do it again. You go to right here, daemon tools down there, and then the virtual devices, and you're gonna want to unmount it. And then I find this, if I mount two things at once, sometimes it screws up. And then you're gonna want to go there again, right clicking by the way, and then mount image, and then you mount the second one, and then yeah, like that, and the ME2B file, and then you click open, and then it'll mount it, and you can just click X, and then click OK on the dialog box, and just let it finish. And then once you finish, I would recommend restarting your computer. I always do after I install something. But so it should be somewhere on your desktop called Mass Effect 2. I put mine just in my program files, so it's with all my other stuff. But you're gonna have this Mass Effect 2 launcher, and you double click on it, and then you're gonna get the same install thing, except it's gonna have the play function. And then you just click play and I guess have fun playing Mass Effect 2. Yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys can play this game. I mean, I played it. It took me 30 hours the first time. Really fun actually. And I would suggest, you don't have to, but I kept the Mass Effect 2 ISOs just in case I wanted to install it on a new computer, or if my computer crashed or something, and I burned them to a dual layer DVD, one each, because they're 7 gigs each. So yeah, I guess have fun.